Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your GitHub theme into dark mode, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your GitHub theme into dark mode, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to click your profile at the top right corner. And after clicking your profile, next, go to Settings. And once you're on Settings, next, I want you to go to the Appearance section. And here in the Appearance section, you will now be able to see the theme option, which is where you can change or select the theme of your GitHub. So to change the theme of your GitHub here, just go and click this. And then select Single Theme. And after that, you will now be able to see many different GitHub themes you can choose, so just select whatever you like. But since we want to turn our GitHub into dark mode, these 5 will be our choices. All these 5 are dark mode guys, so it will just depend on your taste to choose what you like between them. In my case, this is what I will select. And after selecting, it's done. Congratulations, you have now changed your GitHub theme into dark mode. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.